All right. Let's get with the unboxing real quick. We're gonna do this cool one here, Shongmei earplugs. All right, so we need the knife back. Here comes the knife. Kids, always remember to be very careful when you do these things. Don't copy how I do things, because I do things for speed during the unboxings. Wow, take a look at this. Take a look at this. These look really cool. Would you look at that? Earplugs. Very interesting shape. There's two different sizes, as you can see right there. Let's see if iPhone 13 can do a good, take a quick look at the details here.
Likey